Every year, I like to create a little notebook that I can write all my ideas in and just like brain dump, basically. Anything that's going on in my head that I need to get out, I put in this little notebook. It started out as a bullet journal. Years ago, I tried bullet journaling, and I tried for a number of years, really, but it wasn't really for me. So instead, I've just made it my own. I write down tasks. Right now I'm trying the idea of doing sort of tasks for the week rather than for the day. I find sometimes when I'm too regimented with my tasks that I get anxious, I guess. So I'm liking this weekly thing because it feels like, okay, I can just work on things throughout the week. The artist Lee Ellickson, she makes great YouTube videos. I kind of got it from her because her to-do list is just so general. It's just basically reminders of what needs to get done. And I really liked that. So that's what I'm trying right now. Anyway, I like to doodle on the cover. And every cover is different. And this is a great time of year to doodle on a cover. It just feels so nice to start afresh. Book for a fresh new year. Let's see if I can make that too similar. Who knows? It's pretty good. I really thought long and hard about whether or not I would share this publicly because it does feel like something that I just enjoyed doing on my own. But I felt drawn to sharing today, so it's never anything fancy on this cover. But every year I just love whatever it is that I've put on here. It becomes a part of the year. Like a representation of what's to come. I was doodling these viney flowers in my current notebook. And when I thought about what this cover might be, this is what came to me. And I had a bunch of other ideas for what to share with you today, but this was the one that was calling to me. So just gotta go with it, right? At least that's what I'm learning. That's what I'm trying. If you want, you can hold an intention in your heart, your mind, and your soul while you do this doodle. It can be an intention for the day, or the week, or maybe the year. Might be the most congruent to try for the year, an intention. Personally, I'm not holding an intention today. I mean, I guess my intention is always sort of to go with the flow of life. Not get so caught up in my wants, how I want things to go, how I want things to look. It's quite entertaining because my brain has to work really hard to do the set of leaves. I'm not sure why, but it does. Have mistakes hanging around. It's part of what I'm trying to learn. You know, mistakes aren't bad. They're just mistakes. And really, even saying that they're a mistake is just a judgment. Maybe that's exactly how, well, it is exactly how this cover is supposed to be. The beginnings of an idea that's been edited and morphed and changed into a new idea. That is a life skill. I'm just gonna do a little flipperoonie